What's up, guys? TraderJud here with week 6 of the weekly charting series, where I go over 10 different pairs, 3 different time frames: the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour. This is pair number 6 for week number 6. We're looking at AUD USD. On the weekly time frame, last week's candlestick was extremely bearish engulfing candle. It broke through both of the EMAs. I do expect the EMAs to probably cross this week on the weekly time frame. But yes, very strong bearish candlestick last week. It's depicted even more so on the daily time frame. Thursday and Friday last week, extremely bearish. Those two candles engulfed all of the previous week's candlesticks. So yeah, very strong bearish candlesticks to end the week out last week. What we could possibly see is a retest of this trend line that I have drawn. If not a retest of this trend line down here, if not a completion of this Gartley pattern that I have drawn. We might see some sort of retracement since both of these candlesticks are very strong. However, I will not be buying this unless we have a very strong bullish engulfing candle, which I deem unlikely. So what we're looking for is maybe some sort of minor retracement, and then a continuation downward to complete the Gartley pattern that I have drawn. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that Thursday and Friday were just ridiculously bearish. I did add a couple of zones because price did just break through one of these zones. This zone is drawn off of these candlesticks over here, and this zone is drawn off of this candlestick right here, where we have multiple touches of this zone and of this zone. Price did just break through that zone, so we could see a retest of this zone before continuing downward, or we could see a bullish engulfing candle which would break back out of the top of this first zone that's drawn, possibly a retest of this B point of the Gartley pattern before continuing downward. If not, we'll see at least a retest of this, which price could bounce around between these two zones before completing the Gartley pattern, which lines up pretty well with the trend line that I have drawn on the weekly time frame, this trend line right here. So it just, like I said, I'm not gonna buy this pair. I will be selling this pair only. So I'll wait for opportunities to sell. Starting the week off, probably not a good opportunity to sell. I do expect to see some sort of retracement, but I expect that to not be super strong. However, I've been wrong before, so if we do see institutional candles, strong bearish engulfing candles, then I could possibly consider buying this on lower time frames, maybe some scalping buys. But for long-term trades, I will not be buying this. I will be selling this only until the completion of the Gartley. And if we do see a breakdown below and a retest with this trend line way down here, I'll be selling it some more. So that's what I got with AUD USD this week. If you did like this video, go ahead and give a thumbs up. If you have any questions on AUD USD, go ahead and drop a comment down below or send me a message on Telegram. My Telegram contact information is in the link provided. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Support the channel. I will be adding more to this this channel here very soon. In fact, in the coming week, I will be adding another series that I have not announced yet, but I will be announcing it. If not in one of the later videos today, then I will be announcing it on the first video of that series, which again should come out later on this week. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for your support, guys.